Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. The Bank of Jamaica says it received 5 bids totaling $4 billion from Monday's liquidity support operation, although it had sought to provide just $3 billion to deposit-taking institutions. The central bank says it allocated a full $3 billion at an average interest rate of 5.76 per annum. Deposit-taking institutions include commercial banks, building societies, merchant banks, and credit unions. Port Authority of Jamaica received a stable credit rating from Caribbean Information and Credit Rating Services Limited, CARI-CRIS. This credit rating is supported by solid cargo operations, institutional stability derived from the Port Authority's legislative mandate, and ongoing infrastructure modernization across the cargo, cruise, and business processing outsourcing business lines. A gradual improvement in global economic activity with strengthening global cargo and cruise market conditions is expected to sustain revenue generation and operating performance. Consequently, PAJ is projected to maintain sound financial metrics, stable cash flow generation, strong capitalization, and adequate debt service capacity over the next 12 to 15 months. The ratings continue to reflect Port Authority's strategic importance to the government of Jamaica, the domestic maritime sector, and the wider economy. The authority also maintains a favorable market position in containerized cargo in Latin America and the Caribbean, supported by strategically located ports. For the trading period of April 2026, the most actively traded securities were Lasco Distributors Limited with 4,128,757 units, representing 19.57% of market sales activities. Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,416,536 units, representing 16.19% of market sales activities. Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 2,656,577 units, representing 12.59% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in transportation and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for April 20, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.97 and buying at $158.92. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gain supported by 33-cent transaction spread. The Canadian dollar sold for $116.16. I was bought for $115.83. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $3.31 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $216.02 and was bought for $212.71. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, consider credit as a trust filter. Government agencies and institutional clients are risk managers first. Before they look at how impressive your portfolio is, they assess whether you are financially stable enough to execute it. A strong credit profile communicates that you pay obligations on time, manage debt responsibly, and operate with structure. A weak profile raises concerns about cash flow strain, missed deadlines, or potential project disruptions. If your goal is to attract higher value clients, your credit strategy needs to be intentional. Pay obligations on time because consistency matters more than perfection. Keep credit utilization low to demonstrate control over cash. Build relationships with financial institutions before you need them. Regularly review your credit report for accuracy and gaps, and separate personal and business credit to strengthen your professional profile. For our funded and focused feature, the Caribbean brings stronger sisterhood, but you need structure. Building connections with other Caribbean women across countries can feel powerful. You can share advice, contacts, and support. The Women Entrepreneurship Knowledge Hub shows that mentorship and peer groups help businesses grow. But without clear structure, it can become confusing. Having organized groups or programs helps everyone get the right help at the right time. Staying connected to the Caribbean while building abroad can open many doors. It brings more chances, but more to manage. With the right support, structure, and funding, you can turn these connections into real growth for your business. Support is not just motivation, it's access. You need mentors who have already built businesses across countries, connectors who can introduce you to buyers, partners, and investors, peer groups of women doing similar work in the Caribbean, the US, Canada, or the UK. Research from Women Entrepreneurship Knowledge Hub shows women grow faster when they have strong networks and mentorship. The goal: be in rooms where decisions are made, not just discussed. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital, markets, and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.